Welcome to Crossplane Nation. Today we're going to install this K&N air filter on a 2018 GSX250R. First thing we need to do is remove the seat. If you remove the rear passenger seat, you'll see a tool right here that you can use to remove the bolts on the seat. Up here on the tank, there are going to be two push button retainers that you're going to need to remove, and then we'll remove this guy right here. Remove these two guys here, they're 10 millimeters. I'm going to remove this bolt here, and there's a push pin right here that we're going to remove as well. When you're ready to remove this guy here, it's just going to kind of pop out of place. If you look down at the side of the tank here, there's going to be a bolt that we're going to have to remove here. We're also going to do this on the other side. Alright, the tank is loose. I'll figure out how to prop this guy up. You can see there's a screw there. There's one on the other side. Okay, you can see the old one's on the right, K&N's on the left. This is what the box looks like after you remove it. Just need to make sure that the filament is seated properly. These two pieces down at the bottom will just slide down and just bolt that back up to the top. Double check and make sure right up here on the left and the right hand side, make sure that that box, those two tabs, fit in those slots down there. Okay, with that filter installed, we're ready to button up all the fairings, put everything back together. We'll fire it up, see if everything's good to go.